OpenResty Edge provides powerful Lua extensions to automatically respond to offline events from the gateway server. Let's switch to the web console of OpenResty Edge. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user would have their own deployment. Go to the Global Config page. Click on Global Lua Extensions. Let's create a new Lua extension. Create an extension to prevent GoDaddy from resolving a domain name to an already offline node. Here we enter the name as remove node from GoDaddy if node is offline. Select by event. OpenResty's Edge supports several kinds of built-in events. Here, we select the type gateway server abnormal offline. This means that if the server is offline, the Lua extension will be triggered. If you are used to using VIM, you can enable VIM mode to edit code. When the event occurs, it will pass trigger event to Lua extension. Send a request to the manager service, which could remove the node from GoDaddy when it's offline. When the response content meets the conditions, use Lua's JSON module to decode it and assign the result to the body variable. If body exists and body.status equals 0, then output the successful message. Click to create it. After creating, the new Lua extension will work automatically. Let's test it with an offline gateway server. Go to Gateway Clusters' page. This is the gateway cluster we are going to use. It's online now. Use the systemctl command on the terminal to stop the service. Refresh the list. The server is offline now. Go back to Global Config. Enter Global Lua extensions. Check the history of execution. As shown, the extension has been triggered and executed. The node has been removed from GoDaddy successfully. If you like this video, please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you.